Hello, I'm Ira Langit, currently enrolled in the Dynamic Leadership subject. In this reflection, I will be discussing leadership theories that I believe will support my personal and professional growth in the future. Question number one: what leadership theory discussed in this subject taught me about myself? One of my most evident valued characteristics is my ability to inspire others and lighting challenging situations which help motivate those around me. The quality strongly aligns with transformational leadership. As noted by Corrigan et al., transformational leadership is a complex and dynamic process where leaders influence the values, beliefs, and goals of their followers. I was the task force area head during the accrediting agency of chartered colleges and universities in the Philippines. My team managed administrative process and policies. For our first time managing such a rigor work, the volume of documents intimidated the team, but I was able to lead and elevate them. I emphasized the importance of having the right values, maintaining beliefs in our capabilities, and focusing on our shared goal. I reminded my team that experience isn't the sole determinant of success. Skill, passion, and a willingness to learn can be just as powerful. I motivated them to embrace the challenge, reinforcing that achieving positive accreditation result would reflect our competence and dedication as a professional. This leadership approach helped us not only complete the accreditation process but also succeed in it. It proved that through transformational leadership, one can foster accountability, reliability, and growth within a team. Question number two scenarios about the future I may face. This scenario is based on the position and the logics of scenario thinking that will be flashed in the script. Title number one: Risk meets opportunity. Scenario number one: personal loan versus reflective logical decision. Ira must make a life-changing decision. Pursue her ambition of moving in Australia with her husband and obtaining permanent residency. Using the reflective logic of decision making, Ira decides based not just on hope but also on wisdom garnered from previous experiences and a thorough grasp of what is genuinely important to them as a couple. Having faced situations in the past where financial hesitancy resulted in wasted chances, Ira now understands the importance of acting with confidence and clarity. She and her husband decide to apply for a personal loan to assist their sponsorship visa application, which will allow them to live and work in Australia for 4 years before applying for a permanent residency. The financial burden is heavy. They know the sacrifices. Both are willing to work several shifts and take on more responsibilities to meet their obligations. Instead of complaining, they find meaning in it. The loan provides a bridge to stability, opportunity, and achievement of a shared ambition. Ira's journey is difficult but consistent with the principles and goals. By choosing sacrifice above comfort, she proves that living meaningfully in a new area takes fortitude and determination. Title: Conservative Finances Miss Opportunity. Scenario number two: Strategic Spending versus Preventive Logic. Ira is a financially prudent person, always prioritize saving over impulsive action, especially when it came to a high-cost decision. Despite the long-term goal of migrating to Australia on a sponsorship visa, a prudent spending strategy resulted in a decade-long saving period. After 8 years, the necessary funds were eventually collected. However, By that time, immigration policy and sponsorship criteria had undergone considerable changes, including an increase in application fees and procedural complexities. Faced with these new circumstances, a strategic decision was made to abandon the migration plan. Rather than taking a more unpredictable and costly option, the individuals choose to spend their saved asset in a local business venture. While driven by sorrow over mistiming, the shift in the direction allowed for the reallocation of resources to a goal that was more immediately realistic and in line with their existing situation. Question number three. What part of the subject have I used in planning my path? One of the most valuable insights I have gained from this subject is the importance of personal values in shaping my future endeavors. I believe that possessing strong personal values provide a solid foundation for navigating one's path in life. As Chang et al. Explained, values play a fundamental role in guiding individual behavior toward the achievement of specific motivational goals. When your personal values are firmly rooted, they offer clarity and direction in pursuing your ambition. However, life inevitably presents challenges and obstacles. In these moments, resilience becomes essential. According to Clutter, resilience is often regarded as the benchmark for bouncing back and is increasingly seen as a basis for measuring potential personal growth. While life may not always unfold the way we envision, resilience empowers us to face adversity, stay focused, ultimately achieve self-actualization. With strong values and resilience, we can overcome difficulties and emerge stronger, ready to fulfill our goals. Thank you for your time and listening.